Hi, welcome to Scholarship Avenue Official. In today's video, we are going to look at how to write GETFund scholarship application letter for 2020-2021 academic year. And before we proceed, we entreat all our viewers to subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell to be notified whenever there is a new video on a scholarship. Now in today's video, like said earlier, we are looking at how to apply with a written essay for GETFund scholarship. Now we hit on the site of avenuega.com to look at what GETFund application scholarship says, or how they want this application to be. Now here we have GETFund scholarship application letter. Let's go down there to have overview of everything. Now here about GETFund scholarship application letter, this is what they say. You must apply with a written essay declaring why the application should be awarded to you. Now we have overview of GETFund scholarship application letter here. That is the first part. It contains your contact information, that is being your name, your street address, your telephone and email. It's very important. It must be aligned at the right side. Like said earlier, we will have a further look at sample letter. So let's continue. Now we have a set introduction and a set milestone achievement. Here it's better you attract whoever is reading your letter with some kind of achievement the years. And at the middle part, the key details of you and the reason why the committee should choose you. Note, this is a competitive scholarship, and with that matter, you must state why you stand as a candidate for this scholarship. Now with the second section, by the middle part, you have expression of passion and reason why you want this scholarship. So in this paragraph, explain the zeal in attaining the scholarship and perhaps the sacrifices you must have made. It's very important, but try not to sound desperate. Give facts why they should give you this scholarship. Don't only base your reasons on emotions. Now with the last part, call to action paragraph. Now this call to action paragraph, you can state in there that if there is a need for this scholarship entity being GETFund to call for an interview or any means of interaction, you are ready to meet them and discuss whatever they want to hear or may want to know from you. Now let's go down there for general overview. Now we have the general structure of a scholarship application letter. You must have an introduction and a three-body paragraph and a conclusion. Here, take note, every section here is very important, and between your introduction and your body there must be a paragraph, and in the body you must have 3 paragraphs. Now we look at the introduction. So your introduction should include your name, level of education and a degree program. Take note, it must be attractive so that whoever is reading may have the interest to continue reading your letter. Now here we go to the body paragraph. So with the body, you state the reasons why they should award you this scholarship, and then also show some growth of your career in a chronological order. You go on with explaining why they should give you this scholarship, knowing that without this scholarship you can't proceed your education. Now the final body paragraph should explain your plans for the future, some ideas for inspiration. Is very important. At the conclusion, you must take note that your conclusion should re-emphasize why you are a good candidate for this scholarship. It's very important. On the same page, we look at sample GETFund scholarship letter written by a student named Mark 30. Now here, please take note that you are not going to copy this letter verbatim, but you can use it as a guide in writing your letter. We have on the top the writer's address being highlighted, and then we have the recipient's address given to you by GETFund scholarship. Here you have your nice salutation, and then you start your body with the first paragraph showing the introduction, and then you can read it for yourself in here, whilst the following paragraph continues with the body as it is already explained earlier. So you have that 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs for your body. So please, for you should use this as a guide, but not to write everything verbatim. Now with the conclusion, I'd like to read the conclusion. I appreciate your consideration. With your assistance, I can continue my schooling in architecture and design to bring accessible homes to those in need. Now on this, I would like to advise every writer that whatever program you are offering, please try to relate the impact after your study to the society. It's very important. This will let the vetting committee get to know the reason why they must award you this letter. Now, at the subscription part, you can leave your name and your telephone number. Take note, after the subscription, make sure your name and the telephone number is left in there, or you can have it attached to the writer's address. It's very, very important to leave a contact in this letter. And note, all these are accompanied by your photocopy and other requested requirements in our earlier video.
Scholarship Avenue SA, making student dream a reality.
To join any of our platforms, you can leave a comment below.